Hello and welcome to our beginner series on PyQt5. In this video and the videos that follow, we'll take a look at some of the widgets we have in PyQt5 and how we can use them in our application. And this is the starter code. If you are not familiar with it, probably because you have not watched the videos that come before, I encourage you to watch the videos. The link is in the description. And then you understand this code because I explain everything there line by line and what each one is doing. This video will focus on the push button, the Q push button. So quickly import it up here. And it is just a button, it just displays a button. And of course, for best practices, let's create a central widget, which is just a Q widget. And be sure to have it imported. This is the Q widget, and we set central widget. Self.set central widget to the C widget. Now we are good to go. So in here we say btn equal to, or say self.btn or self.btn equal to kill push button. In here we can do some stuff. We can pass in the name of the button or the text that should come onto the button, so my button. We can also pass in an icon like that to be displayed beside the button. If we do have that icon, like we have a button, we want to display an icon beside it. We can also pass in the icon as the first parameter here, then the text follows. But that will be the focus for another tutorial. For now that we have this self.button, we can say self, we can add it to the central widget and says C widgets dot add. Okay, you don't have to add it directly. Let's create a layout for it. So layout equal to kill. This one we just need to use any of them. So kill h box layout. The L should be capitalized. And be sure to have this one also imported. So now we can add our button to the layout. Did it import? Okay. Layout dot add widget. And then we can now add the self.btn. When we run our code now, why is our button not showing? Okay, it is because we have not added this layout also to the central widget. So we can just specify it in here that this one should be inside the C widget. And then we run it, you will see our button displayed inside our screen. Of course, when we click it, nothing happens, but we can connect some signals as we saw in the signals and slot video. We can connect this one to a particular slot. Down here, can create our connections. And then before we do the connection, let us first create a function. So the function that will just do something when the button is clicked. So print button is clicked. And in here we can connect this function to the button widget, so self.btn.clicked. Yep, this one. .connect. We want to connect self.function without the open and close parentheses. And so when we run this code now, bring up our terminal. Whenever we click this button, you see button is clicked printed to the console. So instead of just the button is clicked, you can put in Any logic you want here, you want it to change the behavior of another widget on the screen, you want it to import a file, you want it to save a file, you want it to, whatever you want it to do, you can link it there. Instead of just the print button is clicked. So that will be all for this video, showing us how to use the Python or PyQt push button. I'll see you in another video with another widget. Thank you.